Hey everyone, it's Joanne. If you've ever opened a drawer and just sighed, everything is everywhere, you're not going to find anything, you're going to love these SpaceAid Bamboo Drawer Dividers. These will transform any messy drawer into a nice, organized, custom sections in minutes. I have this one in more of a shallow drawer with my bras and things, and they're so easy to put in. There's no tools needed. There's no drilling needed. These will go from about 12.5 inches all the way up to 17 inches. So they're going to make them perfect for dressers or closets or bathroom drawers, maybe even office storage. It has a spring-loaded design that has also non-slip rubber ends, so it's not going to scratch your drawers, and it's going to be held firmly in place. So these will work great for shallow drawers or the deep drawers. I like to stack two on top for the deeper drawers, and they're ideal for separating my shorts with my t-shirts. And I can easily find my Mickey Mouse shirt when I want it on the fly. You could use these for their clothing, leggings, undergarments, your socks, maybe baby clothes, accessories. You're going to separate them without items falling over. And the natural bamboo finish really looks lovely. These are sturdy, they're stylish, they're super easy to install. If you want drawers that stay organized, this set is absolutely worth it. I love them.